Hey everyone, I just got back from a great trip out west to Banff, Alberta in the Canadian Rockies, flying from Ontario. It was $100 round trip flight, very super cheap Canadian flight with Flair Airlines, and I just brought a personal item. If you'd like to see how I packed for this trip, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll take you through everything in my bag and all those tips and tricks for packing lightly. Thanks for joining me. Let's go. Toronto to Calgary on a cheap flight with Flair, which is only $55 each way, so $110 plus tax Canadian round trip for this trip. That doesn't include luggage or carry-on, but it does include a personal item, so I'm just going to show you what I packed. So I'm wearing a shacket, which is a jacket sweater. I have my nice little scarf my sister made. I just brought my Blundstones, that's it. Got this nifty neck rest, but it's actually hollowed out. And I've got one sweater.
Woo, air it out.
Yeah.
Spin around your neck.
A sweatshirt.
Wow.
And then on top, I've got my jacket, which is folded up. And in there, I have an extra toque, because it will be kind of chilly here. In my bag, I've got my water bottle, I've got my glasses, my Sunnies prescription water bottle. In the front pouch, I have gum, masks, hand sanitizer. Got my AirPods, pen, pencil, all of that. In the back of this bag, I have my keys, arts and crafts.
Yay! Oh,
and an air tag
You brought more than one.
in case my luggage goes missing. And then in the side here, I have my charger for my phone. And if you open her up, I've got my toiletry bag. So not a lot going on in here. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Got 2 hair rollers. My bangs are crazy.
Crazy.
I did have my camera and my tripod in there as well, but they're out right now. I've got 2 little expandable grocery bags because when I open this up, things are going to explode. So I need to be ready. So I got 2 of those.
Explode.
I brought games for the trip, so I have dominoes, deck of cards,
Play dominoes.
Yahtzee. You don't need the whole box. Got my charger. Got a book.
Oh, you found a book too.
Got my charger for my camera.
Oh,
So that's all empty now. And then in here, you can buy these from the dollar store for $1.25. And it's a vacuum seal bag. You'll need to be somewhere where there's a vacuum, obviously, for the trip home. I'm staying with my sister and my brother-in-law, so I've got that going on.
Oh, I can't wait.
You ready?
Yep. Woo, yeah. Handy.
So, for clothing, I packed a jean jacket. I packed a long sleeve shirt, a t-shirt, 2 t-shirts, another long sleeve shirt, and like a athletic shirt. And then I have a pair of like sweatpants, I have a pair of leggings, I have a pair of Woolrich thin pants,
Wow, she packed more than me.
another sports bra, a bikini, underpants, socks, and just pajama shorts. And that's all. I'm ready to go. It's gonna be good.
packed a kitten.